Hi everyone, welcome to week 7. This week we get to move towards social connections and how this can play a role in our overall health, and you'll start to identify different types of relationships and the connections that you make and how those all pl play together and can have that effect. So this week you have quite a few little assignments that you'll have to do. Same thing as normal or as typical. You'll have to read the chapter, complete the Learn Smart. You'll have a quiz and a lab again this week. Continue to be trying these. I am still working with McGraw-Hill to figure out what's going on. I've never had this many issues with McGraw-Hill, and some students having access and some do not. So I really apologize for this happening this semester, as I know it can be incredibly frustrating when you're doing everything right and it's still not working. I absolutely empathize with that. So you'll have to do these typical McGraw-Hill assignments, and then you will also have a TED Talk assignment, a discussion board, and then you'll be on your final step of the step 1, or yeah, final step for step 1 for the behavior change project. So you'll have to complete the contract, which you can only access if you have completed and received a passing score on step 1.5. And then you'll also have Unit 2 exam will open. So this will open on Monday the 4th. So you know that it is coming up. It will be going over chapters 5, 6, and 7. So that's going to be the stress chapter, the coping, resiliency, and social support, and then social connections. So these will be the 3 chapters that are in exam 2. It is 40 minutes like the first exam, and it is in that lockdown browser. You won't have access to anything online. So any PowerPoints or readings that you want to have, or access to the book or notes, it will all have to be printed in front of you. One shot, once you start it, you will have 40 minutes to complete it, and it will submit the exam as is, whether or not you have finished it. So let's go through. I'll show you the assignments that are in the social connections folder. So Learn Smart, quiz, the lab, and then here we have the TED Talk assignment, and you have your discussion board assignment. So if you click in into here, you'll have 2 videos that you'll need to watch and then submit a 1-paragraph reflection. And then, oh, can't go back. I'll just go to here, discussion board. So if you click on the discussion board folder, what you need to do is go through this wedding case study first, and then you'll be able to answer the questions and complete the marriage and relationship discussion board. So you need to answer these 3 questions and then respond to at least 2 of your peers in a meaningful way. So this is the information that you'll be graded on for your discussion board. Okay, so that is week 7. We're moving into the social connections, and after this is really when we start to dive into the more specific types of diseases and health concerns that will play an effect in our health and wellness as a whole. But right now we're still working on more on the broad picture of the social aspect of it, and who we surround ourselves with and how that can play a part in our health. So I hope you all have a very wonderful week. Best of luck on the exam, and I look forward to reading your discussion board posts. Thanks.